Proof of concept IoT. The hardware has been connected. I will now load the program onto the device and connect the terminal. The program has now been started. And now we will attempt to connect to the LoRaWAN network. It has now successfully connected to the network. We have just uploaded our second message to the LoRaWAN network with values of a temperature of 27.6, a humidity of 44%, and a CO2 count of 1411 parts per million. If we look at the website where the data comes in, we can see that the latest package that was received was in 1341 minutes with a payload that is described here.
Proof of concept for data tier. This is my Java API. It will receive sensor information from the gateway, it will add it to the database, and then it will send all the sensor information from database to the Android application. I'm going to start it. The service has started successfully. Now I'm going to open the gateway and start that also. It has started, and now I'm going to wait for a package to come from the Laureate service. A package has come. I received it. This is how it looks. It contains the timestamp and the command rx and the data from IoT. With this information, I'm going to create sensor objects. The first sensor will be with the CO2 information and will contain the hex, the value transformed from the hex that I received. After I create the object, I send it to the database, to the API, and I receive back the status code 200, so it was added to the database. I'm doing this again twice with the information for humidity and temperature, and those two sensor information were also added. And then the on text is complete. If I go back to the database, I can see that the information was added to the database. If I also go in the pgadmin database and I check what's inside the database, I can see that in the end I have added 3 more sensor information. Now I'm going to open my Android application and I will run it. And when I run it, I can see that the repository received a list containing all the sensor information from the database. And inside the database, I can also see that data has been sent to the Android application.